Installing the Aroma Beam app-controlled scent diffuser. Your Aroma Beam Diffuser kit includes the following items: the Aroma Beam Diffuser, a mounting bracket, a 12-volt AC power cord, and a key to access the unit. Also included is a mounting arm and mounting hardware. These tools will be needed for installation: a hammer, drill, screwdriver, a pencil, and a level. Do not install your diffuser near air or exhaust vents. The Aroma Beam Diffuser is most commonly used as a freestanding unit, mounted under a counter or shelf, or placed in an inconspicuous location. When using as a freestanding unit, place the Aroma Beam Diffuser on a stable surface near an electrical outlet in reach of the power cord or extension. Caution: do not place the diffuser on painted or varnished surfaces. Use the undermount option for a discreet installation under a counter or shelf. Carefully unsnap the mounting hole cover from the top of the diffuser to expose the top mounting holes. If the mounting plate is already attached to the bottom of the diffuser, use the key supplied to open the diffuser in order to access the locking tab on the mounting plate. Depress the tab and slide the mounting plate to disengage it from the keyhole-shaped openings. Now, use the plate as a drilling guide to locate the mounting holes. Mark them with a pencil and drill 2 holes in the under surface. Be careful not to drill through the top surface. If you don't have a drill bit collar to limit the drilling depth, here is a tip to avoid making this mistake. Mark the depth of the drill bit with tape so you do not drill through the top surface. Screw the plate to the bottom surface with a tab facing forward. Use screws short enough not to penetrate the top surface. Align the holes on top of the diffuser and slide it forward until the tab locks into place and is secure. Installing the Aroma Beam Scent Diffuser using the mounting arm bracket. To aim a beam of fragrance in a specific direction, use the included mounting arm. Choose an area near an electrical outlet in reach of the power cord or extension. Level the mounting bracket and mark the mounting hole locations. Next, drill the holes with a 9/32" drill bit and install the wall anchors. Attach the Aroma Beam Diffuser mounting arm to the wall with the provided screws. Remove the pivoting mount from the arm and attach it to the Aroma Beam Diffuser using the provided screws. Adjust the diffuser to the most effective angle and tilt to take advantage of the airflow. Use the provided key to open the diffuser and check to make sure the on-off switch is in the on position. The switch is located on the fan side of the diffuser. Now, insert the Sensia cartridge and make sure the plastic loops engage the hangers as shown. Close the unit and plug the AC power cord into an electrical outlet. Remember, the Aroma Beam Scent Diffuser works with AC power only. The Aroma Beam Diffuser is also designed for easy vertical mounting using the provided mounting plate. Once you have the installation completed, you can control the Aroma Beam Scent Diffuser with your smartphone using the exclusive ScentBridge app. You can download the app from your device's app store. or view the online instructional video, How to Navigate the App. The app is compatible with Android and iPhone operating systems. Replacing the Sensia refill cartridge every 30 days. When it's time to change the cartridge, unplug and open the unit using the key provided. Now, open the Sensia refill cartridge and insert it into the Aroma Beam Diffuser. Be sure to attach the cartridge plastic loops to the hangers inside the dispenser and then close the cover. Plug the AC power cord into an electrical outlet. To order refill cartridges, go to www.airscent.com and select our contact page.